Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today is day 46 of solving Leetcode questions daily. Friends, in yesterday's class we have studied all about the DLL, that is the doubly linked list, and we have also covered all the basic topics there, that how it should be looked, what is the difference between them, what is the difference between the linked list and the doubly linked list, how the insertion is done, how the array can be converted into DLL. We have discussed it thoroughly there. So today we are going to move towards a very new question and very pretty basic question where you should know that what we have to do. So first we have given a doubly linked list. You just have to you have given the position and the value. You have to insert it here in such a way that that element should be placed at that specific position, that is 2. 2 is given and we have given 6. 6 is the number, so p is equal to x. So x is inserted after p. Okay, that is at position 3. The position was given 2, that is if we start from 0th indexing, we will automatically reach towards the 4th element, that is at this element we'll insert it. Nothing much. Just let me scroll down and see the second case. Here also we have given the position 0, that means we have to insert it at the first position, that is the 0th. So let's start. In the 0th base indexing we are inserting it. It has been clearly told, so here we have inserted it. So just directly see the code because code is very easy. So first what we'll do, we'll create a temporary and we'll store the head in it because we'll never tamper the head, and then we'll create a new node and that new node will be of the data. If we create a new node, that means the next and previous data would be the null, because our declaration defines it. If you haven't watched the declaration video, the link is there in the description. You can watch it, or you can find the DLL basic videos on my DSA playlist. And what we'll check, we'll just iterate it towards that position. On that position we'll stop with this temporary and we'll check that if the temporary is null pointer. If it is null pointer, that means that its next is null pointer, that means it's the last element. So how can we insert at the last element? We'll insert that temporary next to the new node. We'll make new nodes previous to the temp, because temp was the last element which in that linked list. So that would be the previous one, and next would be obviously the null pointer. And if there is some values, so what we'll do, we'll make the new node previous to the temp, because that element would be obviously pointing to the temp which was iterated and we have got the value. And that temp next to and prev, that what does this mean? If there are let me visualize it. So this was it. Okay, so this was our linked list. This was our linked list. Now we have got to a condition where we have to insert in between. So this was the insertion point where we have to. Now what we will do, this is our new node. So our previous, here you have previous, and this was the temp. So this previous would be point to the temp. Yes, first condition done. Now this is the temp. Now temp next is this. Yes, so temp next and that previous. So this value would be pointing to this. Are you getting what I am telling? So whatever the temp next would be there, whatever the new node will be there, we are here at the second, the temp next, this was the temp next previous, this node would point to this. Have you got it? So we have done the previous part. Now we have to done this new node's next part. So what would be the new node's next would be temporary next, and temporary next is this part. So the next would be pointing here. We have to adjust 4 pointers. Now we are done with the 3, and last one would be the temporary. This was the temp next would be the new node. Yes, have you got it? So after doing all these things, we have come across with this 4 elements. If I erase this pink lines, I think you can clearly see it. Okay, so I'll redraw it. So this was it. So like this structure you will find, and when you will just align it, you will find that, yes, you will find that it has been just a normal DDL, just we have overlapped the links. So just directly, I think this L part is also clear, and this is the else part with the four linkings, and in the if part we have seen that if it was null, then we should treat it as the last element, and last element deletion was there. So I'll just compile it. Yes, we have compiled it, and we'll submit it. Yes, we have got all test cases passes with 100% accuracy. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.